grandparents' house, and we are making Rice Krispie treats. And right now we have put the butter in the pan, and we are melting the marshmallows.
And then we're gonna put our cereal in.
Yeah, we're gonna put the Kellogg's cereal in, and then we'll have our Rice Krispie treats. Okay, there it goes. And then our Rice Krispie treats will be totally done in a couple of minutes, and we will update you then. Crackle. Yummy, 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 yummy. So you always need some grown-ups' help when you're making hot stuff. Yeah. And the grandma's help is the best help. Yeah, and they're gonna be so good, I bet. They're gonna be so good.
If you go ask your mom to make one, because they taste so good.
All you need is butter
and marshmallows and cereal, and then just put them in a bag when they're all cooled off.
You need Kellogg Rice Krispies.
You like it?
All you need to make Rice Krispies are any type of marshmallows, but we used big marshmallows, butter, stirring sticks, and a Rice Krispie box with Kellogg's Rice Krispies. So that's all you need to make Rice Krispies. This when they're done. And you also need a pan and cooking spray